2022 Honda CR-V. With less than 46,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.